That tree is the oldest and largest tree on the Riverwalk.
Today we're in San Antonio, Texas, down at the Riverwalk. We're gonna take a walk around the Horseshoe. It's kind of like an island. This is the island here. That is more like the mainland, and we're gonna be going over there and down that way by these steps over here. Let's go. Tokyo Cowboy Whiskey Diner. Going down to the Riverwalk here. We're basically going to be taking a walk around the island right now because it's basically separated from land. See right here is it's like a horseshoe, but they call it the Horseshoe Loop. And that little island there is going to be what we're taking a walk around. Nice restaurant here. This is Domingo Restaurante. And there's a bar just in the middle of nowhere, underneath the bridge. Here's the bridge above us.
Yeah, we'll just go down here.
This is where you load up for the boats here. There's Astra restaurant here. Rita's Riverwalk. Looks like there's a line. Must be really good. It's barbecue time. Eat here, diet at home. I love it. The county line. Oh my goodness. There's actually a Bubba Gump Shrimp Company right there. I did not know that was down here. Here's the county line. Smells really good. There's a Hard Rock Cafe. Mad Dog's British Pub. Crockett Streets. Here's a Saltgrass Steakhouse. Very patriotic taco place up there. Boudreaux's Terrace.
You guys want to eat again?
Boudreaux Texas Bistro. Mr. Ice Cream. Caricatures. Nice mural here. Somebody with chips running me over there. Casa Rio, 1946. More Casa Rio. Oh my goodness, this entire place is Casa Rio. This is a rather large horseshoe we have here. Got all kinds of jewelry there. Another way to get back up to the street. Large tickets, restrooms. Here's all the boats backed up. I guess they're going to do that night tour thing. Here's not sure who this guy is right here. It's very peaceful over here. Casa Street Bridge here. Riverwalk ADA maps. La Villita. Restaurant, shops, convention center, river center, mall. King William. We keep on saying King William, but I'm not really sure what that is. If you happen to know, please let me know down in the comments below. Forested area here. Big tree. Talk about a low bridge. This is like right there. My head is like right here. The Weston Riverwalk. Let's see, maybe this will tell us where we are right now. It's not just me, I'm seeing a bunch of these things now. We are pretty much in the heart of downtown San Antonio. There's a long, accessible ramp with pigeons on it.
Did you text them?
Okay, resume party. Back to reality. Ooh, this is nice. Hedge drawing like an inverted hedge on the wall. That's kind of cool. More pigeons. Oh, that's the Drury Plaza Hotel. This is Commerce Street. This is where we came from, so we're in the right place. This little bridge here will take us back to the street above where we started in the first place with this tour of the island. Beautiful San Antonio Island, and here's Tokyo Cowboy, so we definitely know we're in the right place. Nice architecture shot down here. That was a pretty good trip around beautiful San Antonio Island. Who would have thought, right? Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next one.